Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of unknown error occurred on Netflix. You click on settings. In this page you click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will search about the application of Netflix and you will enter. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to press by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.